You don't even know what's happening. A picture here, a picture there, then the kids' homework, your address book, tax returns. Next thing you know, your whole life is on your computer. I used to worry about losing that stuff. It happens all the time. Computers crash, get lost, stolen, attacked by viruses. I tried getting everyone to back up their files, but no one ever does. Well, now, no one has to. With Carbonite Online Backup, we never lift a finger. Carbonite automatically backs up our computer. Our files are encrypted so no one else can see them, and they're kept safe and sound at Carbonite. If we accidentally delete something or the computer crashes, we get everything back from Carbonite with just a few clicks.
For just $50 a year, Carbonite automatically backs up your computer off-site, and everything is encrypted to protect your privacy. Try it free at getcarbonite.com.
I can relax now that we have Carbonite. It's the best $50 we ever spent.
Because your life is on your computer, there's Carbonite, the way backup is done.